Welcome to this little chat we are having today. I'm thrilled to share some fascinating things about tuples in Python. We are not in a classroom, but just sitting here, you and I, unraveling the mysteries of this handy data structure together. Now, tuples, although they may seem a little complex for fledglings at first, are truly worth mastering, trust me. They might just become one of the essential tools in your Python toolkit. You see, the beauty of tuples is in their simplicity. Imagine a box where you store your favorite gifts, and once sealed, you can't change its contents. That's what tuples are like. They're like a container where you store multiple items, which, once created, can't be changed, making them an excellent choice for data that stays constant throughout your program's life. Makes sense? Good, let's take a quick look into some operations you can perform with tuples without even leaving my keyboard. The first thing we need to talk about are the basics. We can create tuple in Python using parentheses. Just give me some comma-separated items, and I'll whisk you right into it. Like my underscore tuple is equal to. Simple, isn't it? Let's delve into accessing tuple elements now, and guess what? We do that just the same way as with lists. The difference between accessing an element in a list and a tuple is practically invisible. In Python, we use the index, remember? So, if you have a tuple fruits is equal to, and you want the second fruit, you simply ask for the second element using the index fruits and voila, banana appears. Quite practical. Next up, let's discuss joining tuples, kind of like Lego. In Python, we can concatenate or join tuples using the standard operation for joining strings using the plus operator. This gives us another tuple. Let's join two tuples A is equal to and B is equal to form the tuple C is equal to A plus B. The result? A tuple containing. Now we ought to touch upon indexing and slicing. If we slice our tuple data is equal to, we can access a subtuple. Just say data and I get. Simple, yet very effective. Oh, before I forget, looping over tuples is a breeze in Python, just like we often do with lists. We start with a for loop, and Python takes care of iterating through tuple elements. Now, operations like searching and counting are also supported. Python has built-in functionality to find elements and count the number of times an item appears in our tuple. Say, if we have colors is equal to, and we want to count red, we just do colors.count and it'll return 2. Pretty cool, right? Before I forget, let's not ignore the fact that tuples can be nested. This means we can have a tuple inside another tuple. This can be quite helpful when dealing with complex data structures. Finally, modifying a tuple is something we cannot do since they're immutable. Once a tuple is created, try changing its content, and Python says no can do. But Python, being versatile, offers alternative ways to replace a tuple's contents without directly modifying it. So, that's a whirlwind tour over tuples in Python for you. Hope it made sense. But just like any language, mastering it requires, well, language practice. It gets easier, I promise. And hey, if you are as keen to keep learning, feel free to visit Neeraj.io and subscribe to TechLab for more such programming discussions, tips and tutorials. Happy coding!